Hey guys, another phrasal verb video for you guys today. This one is to end up doing something. Now, the simple idea here, to end, it's not exactly the same as to end or to finish. To end up means that you are in a situation that you were not planning or not expecting. For example, I am Irish, and before I was living in Ireland, and now I'm living in Portugal. I wasn't really planning to live in Portugal. But in Ireland at the moment, we have a real rental crisis and the rent prices are super high. So I couldn't really get a good accommodation. So I ended up living in Portugal. Now, it's not negative. It's an awesome country. It's great. But it was an unexpected result because I ended up living here, you know. The other thing, like another example is when I was younger, I had long hair. I was a rocker. I always played guitar and I always wanted to be a musician. I thought I was going to be rich and famous and super easy. So what really happened was I got a job cleaning in a hotel. As in, I thought I was going to be a famous musician, but I ended up working in a hotel. And actually, it wasn't my plan to work there for very long, but I ended up working there for 3 or 4 years. Now, the cool thing was I met Brazilians and lots of other nationalities, and I ended up finding my career as I ended up teaching and finding my passion for teaching. So again, it's a positive result, but simple examples can be, you wanted to go somewhere like on the bus, but the buses didn't arrive, so you end up taking a taxi. That part is important about the verb after. You end up doing something. Okay? So I'm looking forward to some examples that you guys are going to write under this post. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. See you in another video.